Good afternoon, everyone. Today discuss about in the mass transfer person 2, unit number 6, crystallizations. Topic છે આજનો solubility curve. In a previous lecture માં આપણે introductions part જોઈ ગયા હતા. Okay, what is the solubility? Then the solubility of solute in a given solvent is a different at different temperature. It is a form of the crystallization of bicooling. Okay, what is the saturation part? Okay, now જોઈશું આપણે solubility curves. તો start કરીએ. A graphically relationship between the solubility and temperature in terms of the solubility curve. Okay, terms કઈ આપ્યા છે આપણને solubility curves ના. A graphically relationship between the solubility and temperature બે વસ્તુ છે ખાસ યાદ રાખજો. Solubility and temperature પર is termed as the solubility curve, and the concentration necessary for crystal and the formation and chemical species the separate can be determined from the solubility curves. These basis okay, solubility curves આપ્યો છે જોઈ લો ફિગર 11.11 માં solubilities of salts in water. ઓકે અલગ અલગ કર્વ આપ્યા છે તે જોઈશું આપણે. કર્વ કોના વર્સિસ છે solubility વર્સિસ ટેમ્પરેચરનો છે. ઓકે the parts solute per 100 parts water છે. okay, then the concentration of the necessary for crystal formation and the chemical species that separate can be determined from solubility curves. Such curves are obtained by plotting the solubility of a solute as a function of a temperature. Okay, such curves are obtained by plotting the solubility of a solute as a function of temperature, and the solubility is against temperature, or it shows that the effect of the temperature on the solubility of the solute substance also. Okay, the solubility of solutes in a given solvent maybe increase, decrease, or more or less remains constant with a temperature. Solubilities curve have no general shape or slope for this graphical system. Okay, the part solutes per 100 parts of water in the curve 1 for a KClO3, potassium trichloride. Okay, then a sodium chloride, second one NaCl. Okay, which one first curve is there? This is a curve 1 KClO3, second one curve is there sodium chloride, third one is curve FeSO4 and trisulfide. Okay, fourth one is a MnSO4 H2O. okay, this is the fourth one. All the aqueous solutions આ બધા છે aqueous solutions છે. okay, simple is a diagram ના basis પર આપણે solubility curve જોયો. this one the solubility versus temperature પર. again repeated part, a graphical relations part between the solubility and temperature is termed as the solubility curve. The concentration necessary for crystal formation and chemical species that separate can be determined from a solubility curve. Such curves are obtained by plotting the solubility of a solute as a function of temperature. Okay, the solubility against temperature, it shows that the effect on the temperature on the solubility of the solute substance is the solubility of a solute in a given solvent maybe increases, okay, also decreases, or more or less remains constant with a temperature. Okay, the solubility have no general shape of on a slope. Okay, simply the graphical relationship between the solubility versus temperature is termed as the solubility curve કહેવાય છે એને. Okay, then again discussion part. The solubility curves of potassium chloride, sodium chloride are continuous solubility curve as they show no sharp breaks anywhere. Sometimes the solubility curve exhibits suddenly the change of directions, and these curves are therefore referred to as a discontinuous solubility. The curves for example is FeSO4, Na2SO4, etc. Okay, for the substance there solubility decreases with the increase in temperature also, and in the such cases there are solubility curve are called integrated solubility curve કહેવાય છે એને. Okay, the solubility of potassium chloride KCl, sodium chloride NaCl are continuous solubility curve as they show no sharp breaks anywhere. The sometimes શું છે the solubility curve exhibits suddenly change. Okay, suddenly change થઈ જશે of a direction, and these curves are therefore referred to as discontinuous solubility curves. For example, that of FeSO4, Na2SO4, etc. parts. Okay, for some substance their solubility decreases with increase in temperature, and such cases their solubility curves are called as inverted solubility curves. For example, that for MnSO4 into H2O in H2O. Okay, this part. Okay, for some substance this part usually increase in the temperature, of the solution increases the solubility of the solute where no true compounds are formed between the solute and solvent also. Okay, the Kg KClO3 KNO3 in H2O. In case of the hydrated salt, the solubility increases with increase in a temperature over a certain. For a figure 11.1 જોઈએ figure graphical માં જુઓ. Simply the parts of solute for 100 parts of water, and the graph is the solubility versus temperature is called a solubility curve કહેવાય છે એને. ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટમાં છે આપણું KCl થ્રાઇઝ, સેકન્ડ વન છે NaCl, થર્ડ વન કર્વ છે આપણો FeSO4 અને ફોર્થ વન છે MnSO4 into H2O. Okay, in a figure 11.1 so solubility curve for a number of salts in a water. In case of potassium chloride, the solubility increases with temperature, so it can be radially crystallized by cooling a saturated solution. Okay, the solubility of NaCl, sodium chloride, in a water is almost independent of the temperature. A slight increases in the solubility results by a large increase in the temperature. So far crystallizations to occur, some of the solvents should be evaporated. For a this is a graphical system solubility curves. Important question છે GTO માં પૂછી શકાય 3 માર્ક્સમાં 4 માર્ક્સમાં શોર્ટ નોટમાં, એટલે એ પ્રમાણે તમે ડિસ્કસ કરજો. મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે ગ્રાફિકલ, એના બેસિસ પર તમે ડિસ્કસ કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ જોઈએ આપણે સોલ્યુબિલિટી સુપર સેચ્યુરેશન. સુપર સેચ્યુરેશન ટર્મ કોને કહેવાશે એ જોઈએ. દેન આફ્ટર જોઈશું મિકેનિઝમ ઓફ ક્રિસ્ટલ્સ ફોર ક્રિસ્ટલ ફોર્મેશન, એમાં ન્યુક્લિયેશન પોઈન્ટ કોને કહેવાશે એ બધા. Okay, so what is the supersaturation part? Consider an equilibrium solution for a solid solute plus a liquid solvent. If we disturb this equilibrium either by cooling the solution also or evaporating a portion of the solvent, then the quantity of solute will excess the equilibrium concentration, and the system will try to attain the new state of equilibrium by expelling, precipitating also, access the solute present in it the form of the crystals. This process of forming okay this process forming crystal is called also crystallization. From the solution and the concentration different is driving force is called a supersaturation part કહેવાય છે. હવે આ એક સિમ્પલ ડાયાગ્રામ પછી મેઇન સ્ટેટમેન્ટ આવ્યા છે સુપર સેચ્યુરેશનનું. તે સિમ્પલ આપણે શું કન્સિડર કરવા કીધું છે કે ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ સોલ્યુશન્સ છે, એમાં solid solute plus liquid solvent. If we disturb this equilibrium either by cooling the solution or evaporating a portion of the solvents, then the quantity of solute will exceed the equilibrium concentration, and the system will try to attain and the new state of the equilibrium by expelling of the precipitating the excess solute present in it in the form of crystal. This process of the forming crystal is called crystallization term. From a solution, and then the concentration difference driving force is called supersaturation term. Okay, it is supersaturation main definition જોઈએ. It is the quantity of solute present in a solution in which crystals are growing compared with the quantity of solute, that is the equilibrium part, with the solution. Okay, supersaturation કોને કહેવાય છે? It is the quantity of solute present in solution in which crystals are growing compared with the quantity of solute that is in equilibrium with the solution. Okay, the equilibrium solubility at the temperature under consideration. The supersaturation is expressed as a coefficient given as S is equal to, supersaturation part is equal to the parts solute per parts of solvent at a prevailing conditions. જે supersaturation ના curve માં આપણે જોઈએ છે solubility curve divided by parts solute by 100 parts solvent at a equilibrium part is a very much greater than 1.0, very much greater than the 1 value છે. Okay, then crystallization cannot take place occurs in a crystals, then either can for grow unless solution in a supersaturated. The amount of crystals from of however depend upon the differences in a saturation concentration also, since one of the crystallizations begins the extra solute held in the solution due to the supersaturation also comes out of the solution also in this form of the crystals. Okay, simply part for this is a supersaturation definition part જોઈએ આપણે. ઓકે, હવે આપણો એક મિકેનિઝમ પાર્ટ છે ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝેશનનો એ જોઈ લઈએ, જેને આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોઈશું આ મેથડ્સ ઓફ સુપરસેચ્યુરેશન, કે કઈ કઈ મેથડ યુઝ થાય છે અને એમાં એ શું કરવાના છે તે જોઈશું. ઓકે, તો મિકેનિઝમ પાર્ટ, mechanism of crystallization and crystal formation. A knowledge of the mechanism by the which crystals from the grow is required in the design and operation and equipment used for a crystallization term. The formation of a crystal for a solution is 2 steps process only. Okay, this is the formation of the 2 steps only. The first one, a knowledge of the mechanism by which crystals from a grow is required in the design and operation of equipment used for a crystallization term. The formation of a crystal from a solution is 2 steps process. Okay, the first step is called nucleation part કહેવાય છે. The birth of new small particles or nuclei, and the second one is called crystal growth. Okay, આ એક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પોઈન્ટ છે. ક્રિસ્ટલ ગ્રોથ વારંવાર પૂછે છે, બરાબર, ટર્મમાં ખાસ યાદ રાખજો ક્રિસ્ટલ ગ્રોથ એટલે કે ડેલ્ટા ટી. Okay, what is the first step? The called is the nucleation part, the birth of new small particles or nuclei, and the second one is called crystal growth, the growth of crystals or macroscopic size માટે આવશે. Okay, and the generation of the new on a solid phase, for example new small particles, okay, either on an inert material in the solution or in the solution, it called is the nucleation part. Simply, can I for this discussion part for mechanism crystallizations in a 2 steps is, the first one is nucleations. Okay, इसको reason एक कहेवाय છે crystallization growth and the second one કહેવાય છે first one is a nucleation and the second one is a crystal growth. ઓકે, તો જનરેશન પાર્ટમાં જોયું આપણે કે સિમ્પલી ધ જનરેશન ઓફ અ ન્યૂ સોલિડ ફેઝ either on a inert material in the solution or it a solution itself is the nucleation part. The increase in a small size in a size of this nucleation with layer by layer. Okay, જે layer by layer આવશે addition થશે, solid is called crystal growth કહેવાય એને. The super saturation is the common driving force for a nucleation and a crystal growth. Okay, the crystal can be either from the no growth unless a super saturated part, then a simply discussion part for again a numbers of this rate of crystal does not depend on the temperature also. Okay, the number of nuclei for a growth of crystal increases with the temperature in a certain point of this decreases part. Okay, this is a large size crystal are formed the material deposit in a relatively part or a largest number of tiny crystals in the nucleation part also crystals growth. Okay, this is the part for mechanism crystallizations and crystal formation. Okay, the next lecture માં આપણે જોઈશું આપણે મેથડ અને મેલ સુપર સેચ્યુરેશન થિયરી. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.